Welcome all back to the channel. 416 to what? 876 Jamaica, my people. And right now, my people, we're in Mexico and we're in the Rio Jalas. And right now, I can't remember the name of the beach, but this beach is a very popular and famous beach, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a walk tour from the hotel to all. Probably gonna give you a 1 hour walk just to check it all out to show you guys. So people, please just like, share, and subscribe. I probably do both sides. So you have that side over there, and then you're gonna have this side. I'm gonna be walking through to show you guys. Like I said, people, this is gonna be a 3-part tour video for this resort. I'm gonna be doing a beach tour, the fun and excitement tour, and an entire resort walkthrough tour, so you guys can get a better understanding and a better feeling of how the place look if you ever want to come to Mexico, to this Rio. I got a morning shot right now, some Canada Dry in my pocket, and we're gonna take the walk. I think I'm drinking some Kingston 42 or 62, whatever it's called. Right now it's 10 a.m. in Mexico, and now you have the massage area right here and everything also, and the beach is warm and nice, man. The seawater over this side, my people, it's warm and nice. Okay, over here I think it's the next hotel, but I don't think it's active yet. I think this one went out of commission, but I'm gonna work on it right now. Yeah, people, if you love Mexico, man, just come down if you look for travel. Like, this is a nice beach. Like I said, people, there's no seaweeds or morass in the water or anything like that. It's very clean and nice. Yeah, it's not like some beach, like, it's not like El Shama, people. Right now it would be more like, okay, 7 Mile Beach in Negril. It's more like 7 Mile Beach in Negril, my people. Yeah, but only thing, Negril beats this beach because this beach doesn't have the white sand that Negril has. So if you've ever been to Negril, check up 7 Mile Beach in Negril, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. But I know this walk is gonna be a very long walk. I should leave my slippers somewhere and come back for them, because the slippers thing, nah, work, my people. I'm gonna see if I could hide it at this logwood and just walk normally straight down. Yeah, let me check that out, my people. You go see me walking in water if it get too hot, nice sun, but hopefully I can hide my slippers and nobody no thief him. Okay, hopefully I remember it too. Yeah, sun him up so now quite nothing there. Alright, my people, see there, barefoot where I go for my people, and that are that. Yeah, man, look for a nice ocean, my people. Nice ocean. Sea bikes rental. You have the parachuting rental also. You have a lot of things that you can rent. Yeah, I'm not sure what resort is this one, but it's the next one. Yeah, not sure. See? No. See, just you're gonna always find people on the beach. They are trying to sell you things all the time. I'm not sure which resort is this one, but I think this one is the next Rio. Well, I can't remember the name of this one. I think, and they're opening up a next one too next year also. So they're gonna have 4 or 3 Rio on the same beach, same spot. My Rio, when I get over there, I'll talk about it and explain why I like it and why I hate it. Because, there's a love and hate for everything we do in life. Nothing never gonna be the way we like it, right? Down this part, the water is kind of dirty-ish. Not really dirty, but I see you have a lot more debris in the water. Yeah. So this is one of the reels. I'm not sure the name of this reel, but if you are from one of the reels, you can access all the reels and go in to eat for lunch or breakfast, and also you can get drinks at the bars and everything also too. Yeah, so you have horse riding and stuff. I'm gonna try to make this one an hour or less than that. When my mic dies, I'm gonna walk back. Cause remember the people, this sun hot. It hot. It hot. No joke. The sun purely hot, so when me done drink and thing, no say I have to go swim. No good. I'll just have somebody will call you over and thing. One thing with hotel, my people, them nice. I think Jamaica, I try to do something like this too. We just have a piece of land with just beer resorts. Yeah. Think them, I saw them buy out the St. Thomas land, my people. Remember, I saw them buy out the whole beachfront over St. Thomas and over Bob Marley beach side where people them start complain. I can't know the people now get access to them own beach because them want to build up all of them things are there. So the guests them can have beachfront, beach view properties, right? So that's the most commotion right now for the Jamaican resorts, properties and stuff. See, our next nice one there. I'm saying to my people, it's gonna be a nice, good 1 hour or 45 minutes walk. I think I'm gonna walk all the way up to the end there, and I'm gonna walk back. You won't see me walking back or talking anything. Just go walk back and go and vibe out on the beach, taking this lovely day Father God gave us, you know. People, stop saying I no money for travel. Alright? Traveling is a good thing. Remember I tell you that. Because when you travel with people, you meet so much other people in a life. And two, wash off my foot there. Wee. Two, it's like it de-stressify your mind and your mentality and your thinking of life. So, you're going to tell me, say, you have money for go a party. You have money for do everything. But you don't have money to take a vacation. Alright. Go on, Mr. Man and Mr. Woman. Because you have money to do everything else. But not live and have a happy life. Tell you something, you people. When I start go on vacation I think my first vacation was 2014. Cuba. After that I never stopped. Every year, Father God blessed me or try. Even when I have to borrow money from my friend them, my people for pay for all the ticket when them I go. I say, alright, me borrow it back from you. Mama come back, I pay you down. Look by look. And forward, you see it, my people. No joke no night. See? I should do the hotel them this way. Because you see it's better. Because the sun. So I should just walk. You know what, people? I might just walk the next way then, you know. Alright, may I reach back at my hotel and keep you guys up to date. Okay, my people, welcome back. So, the last part, as I said, I was walking the next way, but like I said, the sun don't look too good, that part there. And then I'll show the result in their beautiful colors. So now, I'm going to turn around the camera and walk the opposite direction, and it's this side. So this one right now is right at my hotel at the Rio. Sorry, my people. There's people outside of Silla and stuff like all over. Just like anywhere. I say people, it's a public beach. But I don't think it's public to the resort people. Then. Yeah. I don't think I see any locals. But at least I allow the locals them to work on the beach them so them can make a living. You know what I mean? And I got to talk about some type of jobs to my people. What you can do when you're abroad and overseas. Alright? But now, I think this side is a better side to walk and talk and show the beautifulness of this beach. Yeah, man. And I love to buy one of them in Jamaica, I see my people. Because I remember, my people, if you have a ski bike like this, a ski bike, you can rent this for all $25 per person. If you have a 25-minute ride. Right? You have two of them there. See I make all $60 per hour then. In US dollars in Jamaica. So that's about 9 grand or 10 grand. Jamaican you're making. So if you did this, you have two of them, you did it for 10 hours. See you're going well over $100,000. Yeah, man. Jamaicans in just a couple hours. Yeah? Who make $100,000 in Jamaica? Them things my people you have to really look upon and see how you want to really invest in life. Cause remember, all of you will get older one day and can't work, right? So, anytime I go on vacation, I just look to figure out different ways me can make more money, or different ways or what kind of business we can start, or what kind of business when I see out there, when I can come here and tell you, say, look into this type of business or that type of business. So when you go to Jamaica, if you go down there and say, I want to go to Jamaica for 3 months or 4 months, and if you look job, because you never save enough money to sustain yourself for that 4 months we stay in Jamaica for. So that's why I'm happy for the knowledge from my grass when I move to Canada. No joke. And learn to do photo shoot and video production. Because now I can take my talent anywhere in the world. Right? Right. So I always tell people, find a skill or a trade or a talent that can, if anything should happen overnight, you have to pack up and leave all the country. But you never know the way the world are moving, my people. You never know which place will be targeted next for a war or this or that. So that's why I leave it as that. So just listen, live and learn. And stay out of negative people way. And see why I come on all vacation, people. Sea water and the sun. Remember them people, my foot was like really damaged in the summertime. Right? So I say, what? Everything clear up right now. I'm gonna take a break for the week before. Because when winter coming up, people I think I will stay in Canada and do some salt truck work for this winter. Because I haven't been working. But yeah, the police are them up on the place. Them always are patrol just like if you're in Jamaica. Yeah, man, my people. Remember, them say Mexico really, really dangerous. But like me say, if you just stay in your resort, my people, you're okay. But then a lot of us like to stay on resort. And same thing me I tell you, same thing me I tell anybody who go to Jamaica. Don't make people fool you or trick you. And I tell you, say, the place is bad, and you just have to stay on the resort. My people, you go with your own self, like reflection or I can't remember the name or the word I try to say, but your own self caution. I found somewhere. Look, sorry, my people, the mic me I try put up some more. Yeah, man, can't hear me better. This resort now, my people, I don't think it's open yet, or probably open, but not fully ready for people. But people over there still No joke no night. People over there. It's a beautiful hotel too. Like them have all rooftop terrace. Probably rooftop pool. Yeah. Again, place are nice to bring your family, man. My resort is more a family resort. Next time, more really go the hotel adults only resorts. Yeah. Much rooms that have my people. Look at the beauty of that resort. Yeah man, it's active man. Alright, so when I come on vacation now people, I always look on cabanas them like these because I want to make two of these at my house in Jamaica. And the cheapest way I try to do it, so I go check out the metal frame here and see. Could I get my cousin or somebody to make me two of them in Jamaica, because them I think are nice, you know. If you have a yard outdoor and I need the coconut tree right in front of my pool. That. Yeah man, my people. No joke no night. And like a sheet metal, like cheaper metal them I used to, you know, my people. And thing. So I want to see construction of it and thing. So at least I have it on video to see how I want to make one in Jamaica or something similar to it, right? Alright my people, I could try that. Tell them my people it's hot. See the hotel look there on a better view. That's a walk the beach, you know. Like I said, no people, before me stop and cut myself off. If you can save money and a full cool nice little chilling spot there, look my people. That's the vibe you want to try to do for yourself when you make your own Airbnb, villa or house or apartment. Nice little thing that right there, man. I'm gonna have a couple of those looks too at the house. Yeah man, people can just come outside and vibe out. If them don't want to stay inside all day, all night, I use up my AC. You know, Jaja. We not like them people there, man. Where you just come for vacation and all day you're inside the house. No man, that's not a vacation. You know, some people like to untwine, rewind and vibe. Yeah. But I can't come for vacation people and just stay inside. On a beautiful beach. Beautiful, you know. White sand, but not the whitest of waterish. You know, I say. Like I say, Cuba has the best beach I've been to. Very dear. Yeah. At the end of the day, that's what I've been to. Right? But nice hotel, people. People, when you reach 35 minutes, you know, or 45 minutes, I'll stop, you know, because I get tired already. But I do it for you, the people, the subscribers, the people again. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, too, people who don't want to listen to me, just mute and just pray the beach of the beauty it have to offer you people, right? But you don't know, so I always have to commentate on the videos. People may probably soon have to go stop again and pull over and sit down for a bit, cause boy oh boy, I'm lucky me do this on a day when I never too tipsy or too drunk and have enough energy the next morning. Because boy oh boy, this is a lot of work. It's a lot of energy to do what I'm doing. Okay, now people, we're coming up to our next beautiful hotel. I think this one is the next Rio. The bus driver told us that we are working on. Yeah, I think this one is called Rio Plaza. They said, yeah. So this one, they're renovating it for 2024 to open back up. Imagine how many people, them people here want so much hotel across the world, you know. The Rio hotel all over the world, them there. Remember that. And Spain Spain people own it, you know, my people. So when you see them in a Jamaica, Cuba, I don't know if they have one in Cuba. But all over in them and my people. Them just say them are open one in London, but and one in Toronto. I don't think more going no hotel in Toronto, cause unless I'm going to have a saltwater pool or something with sun and an indoor pool, sea vibe, tropical look type, or something to catch my eye. I don't think I go there. Can't stay at my yard and do the same thing when I do at a hotel. So, that makes no sense for me. Woo! People, the walk is toasty. If you know me, I go through, you see sun on the ground, the sun on the ground. It's toasty. But, so walk by, we are going to my people. Walk through, see and way. Nah, stop till we get everything. Probably stop up this one and parachuting there. Take a 5-minute break. Continue your journey for the next 20 minutes. And then probably walk back. No joke, people. No joke. I think I'm going to show another lunch bar area where we have lunch and stuff too. Yeah, man. No joke to the thing. Woo! Tired. It's like I need to go stop up this and sit down and jump in the water and come back out because the sun is hot. Hot, hot, hot. Woo! See, so again, people don't wait till you're too old to enjoy some good life here. Because upon vacation I'm there, and mostly old people, young people, and smart up to man, come enjoy yourself. A lot of young people always travel still, you know, but not like the older people them. Yes, I know so the older people them have their money, them retire. But I come on my people, let me say, you must can go on a vacation one time a year. No, no matter how difficult it is. Even if you put down $50 per month, by the end of the year make 6 bills. Borrow 4 for your credit card. Go on one trip. Or if you have 6 bills Canadian, no man, you must can save $100 a month. So by the end of the year, you come up with $1,200. This Mexico trip, because I always try to find for deals, you know. This trip from Toronto to Mexico, West Coast Mexico. Because we are 2 hours ahead of Toronto right now. So West Coast Mexico. This cost me $950 Canadian. Flight, hotel, unlimited drinks, unlimited food, and nightlife, and ocean and pool for 7 days. Right? So, if you can just save up your money to do it one time a year for your birthday, you guys go, man. Go unwind, go untwine, and try to enjoy life for what it is. Because now I get better if you not try to do better. You understand? Jamaicans now, you can travel to Mexico without visa. You don't need no visa. Ooh, so went far up, man. Advise them, tell me say, if you want to come to Mexico, man, people, Mexico and Jamaica government have a treaty, so Jamaicans don't need visa to come here. Right? But, and they don't need visa also to go to Jamaica. Okay? So if you ever want to come here, I don't know what kind of job you will get to Jamaica to travel. But if you have friends and family overseas who can sponsor a birthday trip for you, you take it. Nice little resort here again, my people. I don't know the name of this one. I wish them put out the name outside. But Music play over this, so I now move over this. And it's a nice looking hotel also. Not a real, but nice looking. Some people are tired, you know. I'm tired. I don't know how far I'm gonna walk to make it. God knows. Gotta walk long. Jaja. This one look like try to get some ice in my cup. But this one looks like adults only. Is this one adult only? No, is it? Oh, it's not, right? Okay. So, like me some people, if you can get an adult only hotel, it would be a better solution. God knows. Because the one over there, picnic everywhere. Then full up everywhere. Everywhere. Night, day, or morning. But can't watch it, you know. Because more time you don't have nobody to keep your kids there, man. You just gotta do what you gotta do. And you want to unwind and untwine, same way, right? So we all have to do what we have to do, my people. But still walking, my people. Still walking. We good. Good. I always find people that try to sell us something, you know. Everywhere we go. Yeah, man. This is our next thing to my people. Next business that idea. I'm going to talk about later. On a different idea vlogs. For people going back homes. I want to start business. And this is for the people that more live in the Caribbean sides. Or, yeah. Even this too is a good business. They charge $100 for about 25 minutes, my people. Or $150 US. Hola, see. No. See. Nice hotel again, my people. Farmers in Jamaica, yes. I want to talk to Uno too. I'm telling you something. The coconut farmers, the cane man. So the days them, and these for the ones them who have a vehicle. Okay? So the days them, you not do nothing. And you just unwind and untwine. Drive with some of your coconut them. Cane, orange, mango, whatever fruits you might think tourists like. And pull up. Get permission from one of the hotel them, tell them say you're a farmer, this and that. You can't even sell them produce, so they allow you. But just ask them for permission to stay on the beach side. Get an umbrella, and if you sell, you sell. You understand? And some see it. You have to go out there and do your own thing, you know. Be an entrepreneur at times. Like me some people, nobody now put up nothing for we. This is a nice resort right here too. It's a nice looking one. I like. Whew. And it's a nice looking resort, my people. Nice. I don't know what the guy I walk up to me find him. Yeah, people. Nice looking resort right here. So check it out. No. Alright. Woo! People, I've been walking for 20 minutes now. Or 30, because remember me take a break from the side me that walk from. Yeah, man. But I do it, people. Tired. Jaja. Wow. And in video I never get a lot of views yet, you know. But still doing it at the end of the day. But I'm tired, my people. I think I want to walk back. But I think I'm going to walk all the way down there and stop. I think that's where the resort them end off and the beach. Whew. must lose a good 200 pounds out of my body today from this walk. No joke. Wow. A dead fish. Pull up. Wow. See? All right, that's now, my people. A land. You know it's a buy out already, right? Because no land, no seafront land now left for open. For people just come buy out. You're mad? Now them time, yeah, most of the country them are move to resource for power them economy. Look at Saudi Arabia right now, you know, people. You see, the oil thing I come to a halt and I come to an end soon. Right? So now, them start invest on tourism more and more. Because them are going to be a big resort capital in the world, you know. That's what I call the man made fake beach, because them know what people want. Right? I can't believe you have, bro, Jamaica need to talk to Saudi Arabia to make them invest in Jamaica to build up some more like really exclusive styles of resort. Like people, oh, you have Saudi Arabia, make a resort up in a mountain, but attract with the mountain. So it look like a just mountain there. But if you go up there, a resort here there. Yeah man. No joke there night. Them architect thing man is different. But again, there are a lot of people on the sides. Girls out there, if you know to do body massage, you learn to do it. You come on the beach, you offer massage service and stuff like that. Right? You can get $30 US, $40 US, $50 US per hour. That's around 6, 7, 8 grand, 9 grand Jamaican. Right? Or you know you're not going to make a day by working a normal job. So, think about that too. Okay? Get a massage license, go practice or whatever. Get your certificate and go around to the hotels, sign up, see allow you. Nothing try, nothing done. Yeah? Lots of different ways out there, people. You don't have to move to the violence and crime or sit at home and begging and saying nothing now go on for you. Nothing now go on for you if you don't want nothing to go on for you at the end of the day. No joke no night. It's not a lollipop thing. Yeah? If you don't want nothing to happen to you, you know, nothing's gonna happen for you. Me, sister, nothing now go on right now for me. What me have to go do? Get up back or work back. Trucking. I don't like driving trucks. I don't like the stall trucks in winter time. But me I go down in our money and my property really need to finish up in 2024. So we can put it on the Airbnb market and we not try to depend on the Airbnb market anymore because the new rules and regulation them. I'm gonna make a video on that to soon enough people. But I'm gonna try to enforce upon the people them through Airbnb. So that's why a lot of Airbnb hosts need to come on YouTube and promote their stuff themselves and make more ads and promote. So them have a direct link to people and them business and not have to worry about if people are gonna find a property on Airbnb. Don't do that, man. So my foot hot me, you know, my people. Yeah. Put a bun me. Whee! I need to stand up and get a drink. 1 second, my people. Gotta take a drink. Woo! That was a good little shot. Some people, it's beach on top of beach. You can walk miles and miles, but like I say, I'm just going down to those last few ones and I'm taking a break. Yeah. I'm taking a break, my people. Because the sun, plus the walk, and plus I don't want the video to be too long. So I walk it out. And thanks again for everybody who's been with me from day one, from the older videos till now, who's been subscribing, liking, sharing up a 416 channel. That is it. Now bless upon yourself, my peeps. Soon take a break, my people. Want to take a break out of the sun and start it back. Wow. But look at the area, my people. Just like if you're there, Jamaica, man. Now have a part like this in a Ochi. I love to. Just like when you go, think you drive out to Runaway Bay. Yeah. Just, I think a Flavors Beach it name. Yeah. Flavors are flavor. One of them. But, I say, them a fix it up like this. And I know say, down at the bottom part, I say them a build up a resort. So probably that's why them a fix it up. Yeah. And you know, so when that done, them gonna lock off everything. Yeah. And you know, so that done, them gonna put 2 more, 3 more resort for the beach there. Yeah. So again, people, everybody are run to buy up the land them. If you can get beachfront land yourself, you do it. No joke, no unite. I say, people, if I had money, it's a beachfront land, me that get to. But money I grew up on tree. So gotta take what we get. Whew. Tired, man. Wow. People are weird down there, so me I walk from, you know. Wow. Wow. Continue the journey. Couple fishermen out here. See if they can cast them net to get to, you know. Wow. A long walk, my people. A long walk. The struggle is real. I think you might catch no fish right there, you know, my people. Let me do it to me now. Think you might catch no fish this though. Too shallow. I have to go way out. I don't know. You probably know where fish then there. Because me don't see nothing. And I shallow part. Whoa. It's been a journey of walk. Wow. Woo. And people in Jamaica, like I said too, you don't need no visa to come here. You just need a date to return and where you're staying. Right? You come and enjoy yourself, my people. Spend a week or 2 if you can afford it. Go back home, work again. Life don't have to be complicated, you know, my people. Life can be easy. Some of us make life really hard, and sometimes circumstances push us in ways of making our life hard too, you know. So I'm not gonna say, but there's other circumstances too. But sometimes people have to suck up them pride and find a way out. Yes. And I sit down and say, nothing now go on. Maybe telling you, know, nothing now go on. See me? No. Come out of that mindset, my people. Make it happen for you. Make it work for you. Stop with that mentality now, man. We're going on a new year now, you know. 2024. Yeah, man. New year we are going on, my people. So make it work now, man. Make it work. Come and salt water, come watch off the negative mentality out of you. Yeah. Going 2024 with just positivity. That's it. Cut out the negativity. Straight positivity. But no matter what somebody tell you, don't fight them back with anger and greed and selfishness. Fight them with love, prosperity. Yeah, man. That's the only way to conquer evil, you know. It's happiness and positivity. No joke no night. It's not a lollipop thing. People say I want to see it, and I might see it, but I'm tired. I'm going to sit down on it for 5 minutes and rest off, because I think I still have a next 25 minutes to walk down to where I really want to reach, to the other resorts. Alright, people. So, I don't know. I overthink them, so I'm not about to sit down there. Right, that's me that I sit down. Yeah. I get tired of people. I don't know if I can make it any more, people. I think I'm gonna stop. You know what? I'm gonna fight it to where I really wanted to walk to. Call it that day. Yeah, man. Some people, girl, them open them own massage parlors and stuff. Yeah. Massaging people, them people. Certify. You know them must have certified places in Jamaica where you can get a massage license. Yeah. Girls, look it up. CM2 guys, look it up too. Horses, the horseback ride like Elsha. Yeah, man. Not a lollipop thing. Okay, I think this part now is probably a public beach, because you can see area, you can walk through and come down. Yeah. Woo. People, you know, so my foot still a burn me, but I go walk the walk and the talk. Woo. Think I see where I want to go, and I'm gonna stop and turn back. But I'm gonna sit down over there first. Probably even jump in the water too. Yeah. What a O. Henry's Beach Bar, Mexican seafood grill. Yeah. Whew. Alright, down here look like it's populated. Look a bit. Probably it's from the resort. Yeah, that's here. People, I'm telling you, I am tired. Very, very tired. Wow. Well, let me say, continue this walk through for now. Whew. And I don't know which country I go next in, people, but I try go as much countries as possible to do the same thing. When I go on videos of me going into the streets, I'm gonna make my channel what me a tour more around the resorts them. Cause I couldn't do, I don't want to do like what Christmas stuff, go on the garrisons them, showing the real life, Mara showing the real life, Keynote now doing the same thing, showing the real life, you know, Mara sister D Mawanga. That girl's funny. Yeah, you know, but them show the real life. I will show the resort sides of life, you know, the one with them advertise on TV. Yeah, man. Think I have the next 25 more minutes. Of walk to do before we cut out. So next nice resort right here. I don't know the name of this one, but it look more Mexicanish with all the colors and stuff. Yeah, more Mexican looking. People out and about having fun. People, I think I'm gonna go 5 more minute walk. Everybody fall down. Water slap them way. Wow. Water take away now, my people. No joke. Wow. Whew. Whew. Wow. People really need to sit down. Really need to sit. Wow. Sit in the shade or something. This place too, you know, good for people who want to surf and stuff also. Yeah. Wow. Woo-wee. Tired people. I'm tired. I'm gonna come up to this place area and I'm gonna end off the video. But this, you will see the name of the place in the description, and I'll always pop it up in the video, the name of this beach. Yeah. So people, just want to thanks again for liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel, and like me say, a lot more different contents to come and videos, right? Yeah man, no joke night. People, I think I'm gonna see the same thing over and over, so I'm gonna go take a seat over here for a bit and sit down and then walk back. I think the video is long enough of the tour that we see, but now I gotta take a break and close off the video. Okay, it's been an hour walk and I'm tired. Take a break and walk back.